Guten Tag. Welcome back to German class. Great to see you again. Today's objective, you're going to learn complete German phrases for greetings, introductions, and basic conversations. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to have your first real German conversation. Why is this important? Because last lesson you learned individual words, hallo, danke, bitte. But real communication happens in phrases and sentences. You're moving from words to actual conversations. This is where German becomes real. Now, I know German phrases can seem long and intimidating at first, all those compound words. But here's the secret. German conversation has very predictable patterns. I'm going to show you the exact phrases native Germans use every day, and we'll practice them until they feel natural. Ready? Low skates. Let's go. All right, let's start with the most important phrase in any language, how to introduce yourself. My name is... Ich heiße. Ich heiße. Ich means I. Heiße means I'm called. So literally, I am called. Then add your name. My name is Maria. Ich heiße Maria. You can also say, my name is more literally. Mein Name ist. Mein Name ist. Mein means my, name is name, ist is. My name is Thomas. Mein Name ist Thomas. Mein Name ist Thomas. Pro tip. Ich heiße is more common in everyday conversation. Mein Name ist sounds more formal. Use ich heiße with friends. Mein Name ist in professional settings. Now let's learn how to ask someone their name. What is your name? Informal, for friends. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? Wie means how or what. Heißt means are called. Du is you. Literally, how are you called? What is your name? Formal, for strangers. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Notice C with a capital S. That's how you know it's formal. Let's practice a complete introduction exchange. Hello, my name is Anna. What's your name? Hallo, ich heiße Anna. Hallo, ich heiße Anna. Wie heißt du? I'm called Max. Nice to meet you. Ich heiße Max. Freut mich. Ich heiße Max. Freut mich. Freut mich is a super useful phrase. It means pleased to meet you or nice to meet you. Literally, it pleases me. Now let's learn how to ask how are you? This is essential. How are you? Informal. Wie geht's? Wie geht's? This is short for Wie geht es dir, but everyone just says Wie geht's. How are you? Formal. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Notice Ihnen with capital I. That's the formal you. To respond, you say, good, thanks, and you? Gut, danke, und dir? Gut, danke, und dir. Und dir means and you, informal. For formal, you'd say, gut, danke, und Ihnen. Gut, danke, und Ihnen. You can also say, very good, thanks. Sehr gut, danke. Sehr gut, danke. Or just okay. So, it goes. Es geht. Es geht. Literally, it goes, meaning just okay. Common mistake alert. Students often forget to use the formal Sie when talking to strangers or older people. In Germany, politeness matters. Always use Sie unless someone tells you to use du. Better to be too formal than too casual. Now let's learn how to say where you're from. Very common conversation starter. I'm from America. Ich komme aus Amerika. Ich komme aus Amerika. Ich komme means I come. Aus means from. I'm from England. Ich komme aus England. Ich komme aus England. I'm from France. Ich komme aus Frankreich. Ich komme aus Frankreich. To ask where someone is from, where are you from? Informal. Woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? Woher means from where. Where are you from? Formal. Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Now let's learn how to say what languages you speak. Super useful. Ich spreche Deutsch. Ich spreche Deutsch. Spreche means speak. I speak English. Ich spreche Englisch. Ich spreche Englisch. I speak a little German. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Ein bisschen means a little. To ask what someone speaks, what languages do you speak? Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Welche Sprachen sprichst du? Or more simply, do you speak English? Sprichst du Englisch? Sprichst du Englisch? Now here's a phrase you'll use constantly in Germany. I don't understand. Ich verstehe nicht. Ich verstehe nicht. Verstehe means understand, nicht means not. Can you repeat that? Können Sie das wiederholen? Können Sie das wiederholen? Or more casually, wie bitte? Pro tip. Germans appreciate when you try to speak German, even if you make mistakes. These phrases show you're making an effort. Let's learn some essential polite phrases. Excuse me or sorry. Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. Or shorter, excuse me. Entschuldigen Sie. Entschuldigen Sie. No problem. Kein Problem. Kein Problem. You're welcome. We already know this one. Bitte. Bitte. Now let's learn time-specific greetings. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good evening. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Good night. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Notice gute, not guten, because Nacht is feminine. And don't forget the casual goodbye we learned. Bye. Tschüss. Tschüss. Or see you later. Bis später. Bis später. See you soon. Bis bald. Bis bald. Okay, practice time. Let's do a complete conversation. I'll say it in English, you pause and say it in German. Hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name? Pause. Answer. Hello, ich heiße Sarah. Wie heißt du? How did you do? I'm from Germany. Where are you from? Try it. Answer. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Woher kommst du? Perfect. I speak a little German. Give it a shot. Answer. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Excellent. If you got all three, you can already have a real German conversation. If you got one or two, you're making great progress. Let's put it all together in one complete conversation. Hello, good day. Hello, Guten Tag. Hello, Guten Tag. My name is Michael. What's your name? Ich heiße Michael. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Michael. Wie heißen Sie? I'm called Anna. Nice to meet you. Ich heiße Anna. Freut mich. Ich heiße Anna. Freut mich. How are you? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Very good, thanks. And you? Sehr gut, danke. Und Ihnen? Sehr gut, danke. Hello, my name is Sarah. What's your name? Pause. Answer. Hello, ich heiße Sarah. Wie heißt du? How did you do? I'm from Germany. Where are you from? Try it. Answer. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Woher kommst du? Perfect. I speak a little German. Give it a shot. Answer. Ich spreche ein bisschen Deutsch. Excellent. If you got all three, you can already have a real German conversation. If you got one or two, you're making great progress. Let's put it all together in one complete conversation. Hello, good day. Hello, Guten Tag. Hello, Guten Tag. My name is Michael. What's your name? Ich heiße Michael. Wie heißen Sie? Ich heiße Michael. Wie heißen Sie? I'm called Anna. Nice to meet you. Ich heiße Anna. Freut mich. Ich heiße Anna. Freut mich. How are you? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Very good, thanks. And you? Sehr gut,